Ethan Bunny Boy 115 presents Salty Bird Egg. You know, what should we do today? I don't know. I've got an idea. Yep, the longest marker tower ever. Yeah, I've always wanted to. Let's get this. Hey guys. Oh, well, our marker tower fell down. But what are you guys doing? Oh, we're trying to make the longest marker sword ever on this kind of boring Saturday, I guess. Oh. Well, can you guys do the Angry Birds and I a favor? What is it? Okay, guys. So, Leopard Bird and... I'm here with Leopard Bird and Matilda Bird because we're going up north to our friend Bubbles' lake house. Cool. And we need to do you and you need to do us a favor. So, can you get the egg?
Yeah, squawk, squawk. We need you to look after our egg while we're gone.
Oh, that's your egg?
Yeah, our egg. Yeah. Be very gentle with it and don't let any pigs steal it. Yeah?
Well, I don't think there's any pigs in this house.
Yeah.
And also, why is it all, like, blocky?
Don't ask. Bye.
Bye, Matilda. Bye, Chuck. Bye, Leopard Bird. Anyway. Good luck, guys. We'll be back at the end of the day. So, do we just stare at it? I guess so. This is kind of boring. I don't want to do this until night. Yeah, me neither. Let's get a snack in the kitchen. Yeah. It was good that Peppy and Poppy let us stay here for the day. Yeah, I know. Is that a ball? Oh, yeah, it is a ball. But for what sport? Does that look like a soccer ball? Ow! It's not. Well, is it a baseball? No. Oh, I know. Yeah, that was good. What the? I saved it. Okay, guys, stop it. What? Huh? Penguin.
Huh? What are you guys doing? What? Is that an egg?
That was a close one. Yeah, just you watch over the egg, and I need to tell Iggy and Wendy a lesson. Aw, where'd our ball go? It's not a ball, it's an egg. And you two were bouncing it in the air, and it almost hit the floor and cracked. Just, yeah, this is stupid. You know, let's go in a safer place, like Penguin's bedroom. Yeah. Oh, and... There we go. That's a good spot to put it. But, what if it scrapes against the wall? There. But what if it falls into the vent? Yeah. There, in the dresser. But what if someone opens the drawer too hard and it breaks? There. But what if, like, a meteor, like, strikes our house and it hits the couch? No, there's nothing bad about that spot compared to everything. Just let's keep it there. We'll just spend the entire day relaxing. Yup. Ow, what was that for? Help! Pippi, what's the matter? Ever since the Kooplings came here, we've started a marker war. A marker war? Yeah, we just throw markers at each other. Guys, go! And let's go in the bird spot. Let's take the egg with us. What? There we go. It's nice and safe there. I don't know about this. Hello? Anyone here? I think I'm safe. Huh? Okay. Be careful. Morton, I knew you would be here. Surprise! Oh no. Ha. Oh no, he fell down. No!
What's with this mess? What?
Please. Thank goodness the egg is safe. Okay, yeah, we've got to go. Bye, guys. Pippi, are you okay? Well, I woke up buried in markers and, well, at least the egg is safe. Okay, yeah. You know what? The Kool can clean all this up. You two, you need an egg to take care of. You can go back upstairs. Yeah. This is better. Dude, what have you done? What? We're just trying to take care of that egg, and you and the other Kool decided to start a marker fight. Dude, don't act as salty as that chicken egg. One, it's not a chicken egg, and two, it belongs to my friend Matilda Bird. Matilda? Oh, Matilda the Angry Bird. Yeah, so we'll leave you alone in that you do already have a big responsibility in the first place, so yeah. I'm so tired of that. I'll just sleep. Penguin, what's with the mess downstairs? What? An egg and Kool Man and Trix Man sleeping? Well, good thing my neighbor's messes aren't a responsibility. Ooh, it's my lucky egg. I can make an omelet. Omelet. The egg, it's gone. Why is the egg gone again? Wait a minute. That sounds like Link. Let's go after him. Yeah. Yup, it's time for lunch. The egg feels a little warm. Let's go refrigerate it so it tastes better. Ding ding. Yeah. Oh, hey Link, it's me, Kool Man and Trix Man. What are you two doing? Nothing. We're just chilling, yeah. Okay. Dude, why didn't you tell him about the egg? I don't know. There you go. That should do it. Okay. Let's just wait here for a little bit. Okay, let's check back on it. Is it good? Yeah, it's pretty cool. Let's go grab it. That's where it went up there. Yeah. Do you see any eggs in here? No. Okay, the egg is cool and ready to cook, but it is a little dirty from being in my dirty house for a little bit. It went upstairs. Well, maybe I'm going to give my egg an egg bath. Okay. Yep. I'll just watch it fill up, and then I'll put the egg in there, and my egg will be nice and clean for me to eat. There he is. What? Do I hear someone? Get down. No, I don't. Okay, any second it's gonna be good. Okay, that's probably good. Okay, egg, prepare to be washed. Okay, 3, 2, 1. No! Nice and... Link, what do you think you're doing? What, I'm just making my egg nice and wet for my omelet. It's gonna be so good. That's not an egg to cook. It's not. No, that's... we've chased this egg all around, and we need to say something. That is for our friend, Matilda Bird. Matilda Bird... Oh, why didn't you say so? Let's just bring that out real quick. Anyway, let's also drain all this. I was gonna use that later. Okay, let's go. Well, the Kooplings actually cleaned up after themselves. We'll just put the egg right there, and... Okay, guys, we're back. That was a really fun day at Bubbles' lake house. Yeah, it was. Hey, guys. Yeah, we definitely didn't go through a lot to get that. What did you do? Oh, we just sat here and make sure we get see? How come the egg is wet, chiseled slightly, feels refrigerated, and has marker marks on the back of it? Okay, we can explain. We live in a crazy house and we were trying to keep care of that egg, and then crazy stuff happened. The Kooplings saw a marker fight, and Link takes it and wants to keep it as an omelet, and then he braids it, and the whole time there wasn't a hatchling in there. There wasn't? No, it's a prize for you two for keeping care of it. Yep, there's the reward. Ooh, the reward? Yeah, it's gonna be really good.
Yep.
Okay. Is that Grimace? Yup, I'm Grimace, and I was in the egg. Watch me dance. You like it? So, you just put him in the egg, and we had to take care of him. And that's what we get those dance moves. Really?
Yeah, it's a fun prize.
A fun prize? Let's go, guys. They'll enjoy their prize. Yup. I can't believe we did all this for some... I love it! Let's see you dance, Grimace! The end!